Namaste everyone. Hi, this is Trupti again for you all. I'm sure you all are following the weight loss lifestyle habits we discussed in the last video. The key to achieve a weight loss is a permanent change in the lifestyle. That's the permanent solution for the weight loss, you can say. Lots of information are available on the internet about weight loss, and many of us actually hear something from another people and start following certain tips on weight loss. Either we see on the social media that somebody has followed a particular tip and she has lost about 20 kgs, we also start following the same. Every body is different and everybody will need a different tip, will need a different plan for achieving a weight loss. In this video, I will debunk certain myths of weight loss which will help you to understand and clear your mindset about those habits which you feel that will help in weight loss. So number one is having lemon water in the morning will help to achieve weight loss. Lemon water in the morning is definitely a good habit. It helps you to clean your system and accelerate your metabolism. But fat doesn't dissolve in the water. You must have seen, have you ever tried that simple experiment of mixing 1 teaspoon of oil in a glass of water? Does it mix? No, it doesn't, right? So fat is not dissolved in the water. So only having a lemon water in the morning will not help you to achieve your weight loss. Okay, so that's a completely myth. And if somebody says that I have lost 20 kgs by just having lemon water in the morning, it's absolutely not the truth. Number two is bananas are fattening. Banana is a completely misunderstood fruit. Banana is actually having the same calories as the other fruits have. In fact, bananas are very rich in potassium. They are very good for your digestion and also helps in relieving constipation. So if you have a constipation issues during your weight loss journey, I must say you add a banana. And it's a great pre and post workout meal as well. So bananas will not make you fat. In fact, it will help you to achieve your weight loss journey. Similarly, potatoes are fattening. People say that potatoes, if you eat potato, you will start putting on weight. It's not the crime done by potato. It's the crime how we make the potato. We make French fries, we make pakoras, we just fry the potatoes, we make potato sabji in a lot of oil. That is what is making fattening. Potato itself has a lot of vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin B1, vitamin K, iron, calcium, iron, magnesium. So, and even if you have the potatoes with the skin, it is a very good source of fiber. So potato, if you have in a boiled form, it is really great for your weight loss, great post-workout meal. People say if you stand and eat, you will burn more calories. This is not the truth. In fact, the truth is if you stand and eat, you are bound to eat more because you have an easy access to food. So rather sit, eat in a relaxed and calm state of mind. Also, some people believe that skipping breakfast will help to achieve a weight loss. I would say never. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And in the morning, the metabolism is high. If you skip the breakfast, the metabolism goes down and it interferes with your weight loss. And also, if you skip your breakfast, you will notice that you eat a lot, overeat in the lunch. So that's not a good idea of skipping breakfast for achieving weight loss. Some also says that steam and sauna will help you to lose your weight. Steam and sauna is very good for removing the toxins from your skin. It's a very good thing. You can definitely take steam, take sauna after your gym workout. But you cannot expect fat loss from steam and sauna. It's just a water weight which is shedding down. Once your fluids are replenished in the body, that weight will come back to the normal. So steam and sauna is not going to help you for weight loss. Yeah, so I'll just revise it again. Lemon water in the morning. Bananas are fattening, potatoes are fattening, skipping breakfast, steam and sauna, and standing and eating. So these are just the myths about the weight loss, that if you follow these tips, it will help in weight loss. So as I discussed, it is not like that. You have to follow the holistic approach. You have to follow everything: your nutrition, your exercise, your sleep, your emotional health, your mental health, and your water intake. If you follow all the aspects, weight loss will definitely happen. Sure. So till the next time, eat smart, exercise enough, sleep deep. We'll meet again soon. Have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.